on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did this anti-Valentine's Day look. So if you'd like to see how I did it, just keep on watching. So starting off, I went in with the BH Cosmetics shaaanxo The Remix palette, and I took the shade Bestie on a Wet n Wild blending brush, and I'm just running this into my crease.
But you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the flames will burn.
Then next I went in with the bright bubblegum like pink shade, and I'm using a Profusion blending brush, and I'm just running this into my crease as well, making sure it's nice and blended. And then since that palette didn't really have a black in it, I went into the Jcat Beauty Santa Monica palette, and I took the black shade, and I'm just putting this all over my lid and also blending it into the crease. Now this black isn't like the blackest of black shades that I own, but I just decided this was the closest palette, so I just reached for it. It's more like a dark charcoal gray black, and it's not like super duper opaque. It does take some building up. You could build it up to like a pretty decent black that I end up doing, but then just wanted to let you know that it is not the blackest black. And then I'm just blending the black and the pink together with a very small blending brush from Luxie. And then I just go back in with the black one more time, and I just start to deepen it up so it's a little more black than it was. Now before I finish my eyes, I'm going to finish off my base, because if you saw at the beginning, it goes all the way down my cheeks. So I just went in with the Rimmel Natural Bronzer in the shade Sunlight, using a fluffy angled face brush from Wet n Wild and bronzing up my cheeks and the bridge of my nose. And then I am going into the Profusion, it's a face kit, and I'm taking this contour shade, and I'm using the Luxie Precision Foundation brush to contour my cheekbones and my jawline. And then I'm taking like the white champagne type highlighter shade, and I'm using that to highlight my cheekbones, Cupid's bow, the tip of my nose, and the bridge of my nose. And then I have these little heart stickers. I think I got them from Walmart in like the stationery section, if I remember correctly. And I'm just placing those all along under my eyes in like a downward path, because I'm going to be having the eyeshadow and stuff look like it's running down my face, and I want the hearts to be negative shape hearts. I do end up outlining them later. I hadn't planned on it at first, but then they're just I'm just alternating between the big and the small hearts, kind of getting a pattern that I want to have going on.
You're never here when I'm in pain. You hide and disappear like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares too.
Then I'm going into the Pretty Vulgar blush in the shade Prim Vixen. This is like my go-to blush for character looks. And I'm just using a crown brush, and I'm just tapping that over the hearts. I'm just tapping because if I swiped, it would probably just rip the stickers off of my face, and I didn't want that to happen. So I'm just tapping and blending out along the edges by pressing lighter.
Because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I give you every.
Then I'm going back in with that Profusion brush and that bubblegum pink shade from the BH Cosmetics shaaanxo, the Remix palette. And I'm just adding some more, oh, one of the stickers had fallen off, I think. Yeah, and I had to replace it. And then I'm just adding this more in the center of that shade of heart section, whatever, to have it deeper in the center and look like it's fading out into the blush shade on the outer edges. And then I'm also going back into that Jcat Beauty Santa Monica palette, taking that black, running it along my lower lashes, and then I do end up dragging it straight down to kind of make it look like tears, like maybe like the mascara or makeup had been running. That's kind of like what the whole premise of this look was, because I wanted it to be anti-Valentine. So this is like a character that I thought up, maybe like a jaded or a heartbroken Aphrodite or something like that, since she's the goddess of love. And yeah, that's pretty much what my thought process was. And then I just do the most satisfying part of this whole thing, which was removing the stickers and to reveal the little hearts that were all underneath.
Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Then for mascara, I went in with the Essence Lash Princess Mascara and coated my top and lower lashes.
Oh, you meant the world to me.
And then for lips, I went in with the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit lipstick in the shade Widow's Peak. And I just put that on my lips. It's a nice black shade. This does require 2 layers for me to get it super opaque in some places, because some places in a first swipe it doesn't look as opaque. It's a little bit streaky, but then with 2 coats it's perfectly fine.
Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, I'm gonna do this on my own.
Then I'm going back into that Profusion face palette, and I'm taking this like rosy gold shade, and I'm putting a little bit of it on top of the lipstick right near my cupid's bow and on my lower lip in the center, because I thought it would give it a nice little extra pop.
No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me. That's why.
And then I had decided that I wanted to outline the hearts, so I went in with the Snazaroo water activated face paint, the black shade. And I'm first going to be outlining all of the hearts, and then the larger hearts that I have on my face, I'm going to be doing little zigzags down the center of, to kind of like represent broken hearts, because I thought that would be pretty fitting with this look.
Everything held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, I'm gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I'm gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know.
And then right here is where I started to do the broken hearts for the larger hearts, just the little zigzags, kind of like a lightning bolt shape, and in between them, I think it turned out pretty cute.
You were the one for me. That's why I give you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you
And that completes this look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in my next one.
meant the world to me. I'm on my own.